dear students, today we'll start chapter 1 social science of class 3rd, that is we live on the earth. So children, first you tell me why we live on the earth. Because earth is the only planet where life is possible. Why life is possible on the earth? So children, you know why life is possible on the earth? Because earth has water, air and land on it, and all living things need air and water to live. So we live on the earth. So children, in this chapter we will read about heavenly bodies, solar system, shape of the earth, horizon and coast. Now we will move our first topic, heavenly bodies. Children, you know about the heavenly bodies? What are heavenly bodies? Heavenly bodies are sun, moon, stars, planet, and you see in the sky all the heavenly bodies. So we will start from the sun. During the whole day, we see the sun in the sky. As soon as the sun sets, evening and night come gradually. The sun is a star. All planets move around the sun, and sun gives us heat and light. Now next is moon. We can see moon at night. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It moves around the earth. It shines at night by light reflected from the sun. So our next heavenly body is earth. I already tell you what is earth. The earth where we live in is also planet. It is the only planet where life exists, and about 70% of our earth is water. So the earth is called the blue planet. Our next heavenly bodies are stars. Stars are huge balls of gases, but they appear to be very small because they far from us. We cannot see stars during the day because of heat and light of the sun. So children, our next is solar system. Solar system is the family of the sun. All the planet and satellite moves around the sun. All these make a family called the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. So first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and it is nearest to the sun. It is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. Second planet is Venus. Venus is the hottest and brightest of the whole planet. Our third planet is Earth. You already know about the Earth. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which the Earth is also called the blue planet, and the Earth where we all live in also a planet. It is only planet where life is possible. Our next planet is Mars. The fourth planet is Mars. It is known as red planet. And next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is so large that it can occupy nearly 1300 Earths inside it. Sixth planet is Saturn. It is yellowish in color. It has beautiful ring around it. Uranus is the seventh planet. A thick layer of gas covered this planet. The eighth planet is Neptune, and this planet is farthest from the sun. Cold winds blows here. So these are the 8 planets of the solar system. Our next topic is shape of the earth. You know children, what is the shape of the earth? Yes, shape of the earth is round. But early people did not know much about the earth. They only noticed the flat surface or open sea, so they believed that the earth was flat and had an edge. For a long time ago, people believed that the earth was flat like a coin. But some people like Aristotle and Copernicus believed that the earth was not flat but it was round like a ball. About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor. Do you know children what is the meaning of sailor? One who run the boat is called sailor. Along with other sailors sailed from Spain towards the west. What is the meaning of sailed? Sailed means journey of the sea. After sailing for about 3 years, Magellan team reached the same place where they had started from, thus proving the earth was round, not flat. So, students, our next topic is horizon and coast. Horizon, the place where the earth and sky seem to meet. Have you ever seen horizon? If we stand on the roof of the tall building and look around, we'll notice the far away from the building the earth and sky seems to meet. The meeting place is called horizon. Next is coast, the meeting point of the sea and the land. Have you ever seen coast? Yes or no? All the seaside are called coast. The place where a sea or an ocean meet the land is called the coast. So student, this was our first chapter. Now we will complete our book exercise. So check your study. Tick the correct answer. Our first question is, which of these is not in the family of the solar system? Star, sun, earth. So answer is star. Next question is, which of these is a planet? Earth, sun, moon. The answer is earth. Next is, the number of planets in the solar system is 12, 9, 8. So answer is 8. Our next question is, fill in the blanks with information from the text. During the night we see the moon and the dash in the sky. So what comes here? Yes, stars. The shape of the earth is? Yes, round. Copernicus said that the earth is round. The place where the sky seems to meet the earth is called, yes, horizon. So student, this was our first chapter completed, and you have to write question answer from the PDF file.